Hey guys, welcome back to Recipes of Mind. Today we're diving into one leafy green that could actually lift your mood, spinach. In just a short moment, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spinach, capsicum and chicken omelette using a really easy and quick air fryer method. But first, let's have a quick look at how spinach might help boost your mental well-being. This humble veggie is a powerhouse of folate. There's real science linking certain nutrients like folate to how we feel emotionally. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is crucial for brain function. It helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These are the chemicals that regulate mood, motivation, and focus. And spinach? It's one of the best natural sources of folate. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you about 263 micrograms of folate. That's 66% of your recommended daily intake in just 1 cup. Raw spinach has about 58 micrograms per cup, so cooking it actually boosts how much folate your body absorbs. Research shows a strong link between low folate levels and depression. A major review published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that people with depression consistently had lower folate levels. A 2012 study even found that folate supplementation helped enhance the effects of antidepressants in people who weren't responding to medication alone. So, how do you get more spinach in your day? Try blending it into a smoothie, or sautéing it with garlic for a quick side dish, or as I'm going to show you now, making a spinach, capsicum and chicken omelette using a very quick and easy air fryer method. So let's get straight into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Some spinach leaves, grated cheese, 4 eggs, some cherry tomatoes, some capsicum and pre-cooked boneless chicken pieces. If you prefer a more vegetarian-based dish, then you can of course leave out the boneless chicken or replace it with another vegetable. Begin by cutting the spinach leaves into small pieces. Of course, make sure you wash the spinach leaves if they're not already pre-washed. Next, cut the cherry tomatoes into halves. And then crack the 4 eggs into a bowl and beat them. Next, start preparing your air fryer. Using an air fryer liner dish, pour the beaten eggs into the liner. Next, add in all the chopped spinach leaves. Next, add in the capsicum and the boneless chicken. And then you can go ahead and add in the cherry tomatoes. And lastly, add in the grated cheese over the top. Here I'll be using cheddar cheese. Once that's done, you're ready to add it into a preheated air fryer. Set it at around 150 degrees Celsius for 14 to 15 minutes. For anyone that uses Fahrenheit, that's around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You may need to adjust the temperature and timing slightly based on how much of each ingredient you've used, and making sure the eggs are fully cooked at the end. Once it's done, you can remove it from the air fryer, and look at that, it looks absolutely delicious. And there you have it, a tasty recipe incorporating spinach, which is quick and easy to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more tips on how food can boost your mind and mood.